Today I'm making a chicken Caesar salad. You want to cut and wash your romaine really well. Then you make your salad dressing: a half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup avocado oil, 1 clove of garlic, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Blend that and get out your fresh chicken, and you're going to wash, pat it dry, and tenderize it to about 1/4 of an inch. Then you're going to set that aside. After you salt and pepper it, clean up your counter, get out your French bread, and I like to get my electric knife out and cut this loaf into little squares. Then I'll put that in a Ziploc bag and drizzle olive oil and some kosher salt on that. Shake it up really well. Then I spread that out on a sheet pan covered in foil. Bake it at 375 for 20 minutes. Then while your pan is heated up, I go ahead and put the chicken on there, cook it really well, grill it on the grill pan, and slice that up with my electric knife. Then I'm going to put it in a foil pack and put that into my oven to keep warm. Oh, there come my croutons. Delicious. There it is. Quick and easy weeknight dinner of chicken Caesar salad. Top that with those homemade croutons. Put some fresh Parmesan cheese on top. Drizzle it with some of your Caesar dressing, and there you